Start with a light cream shadow that brightens up the entire lid. Apply this all over, up through the crease, and blend it out at the brow bone. Next, all we're gonna do is layer a deeper shade on top to give some definition and depth on the lower lid. I'm gonna start on the lower lid, blend it up all over the lower lid, just softening the edges into the crease. They're really easy to apply straight from the stick itself, right onto the lid, and all you do is use a little blending motion with your finger, and just like that, you have instant definition. Next, we're gonna add more definition just close to the lash line, and that's really how a smoky eye is built. As you can see, we've started with a lighter color, and we're layering different depths of color through the lower lid. I'm applying this across the entire lash line, and then blending that up towards the crease. Just to give a little smokiness to the lower lash line, I'm gonna use a cream shadow brush with the same color of eyeshadow and smoke into the lower lash line. You wanna make sure that you get the definition right into the roots of the lashes. That way, it really enhances the entire lash line.